Ready to send your first email on Websites Plus Marketing? I'm Darlene, and let's do it. On the Websites Plus Marketing header, click Marketing and then select Email. To start, click Compose. GoDaddy Email Marketing uses templates. These help with some of the design tasks so you can focus on your content. Just select the type of email you want to send and customize. Let's create an email for an event. First, give your email a name. This isn't your subject line, so don't worry about being clever. Think of this like a file name that'll help you find it later for editing or tracking. If you have a logo, you can drag and drop it here to upload. Or click and navigate to upload from your computer. And now let's move on to the banner. Remember, the banner is front and center, so make a great first impression with a bold image. All the images you're using on your site display in the gallery on the right by default. If you want to upload more photos, just click the plus sign. You can also access thousands of stock photos here. To add an image to the banner, just click on one and drag it into place. To crank up your click-through rates, the banner image is automatically linked to your website's homepage. Pretty cool, right? If you want your banner to head somewhere else, this field's editable, so just click it and make the desired changes. And that's a little bit about starting your marketing email. Now you can get to the main event and create your content. I'm Darlene, and I'll see you around.